I write a lot of articles in various publications, and I also speak for the Bar Association in the bankruptcy panel. One of my articles that has been very well received was called "Bankruptcy is Not a Four-Letter Word." Basically, when a businessman comes to me to file a bankruptcy, he understands exactly what he's doing, and he feels there's nothing immoral about it. An owner of a business will come to me and say, look, I have a successful business. I want to keep it as a successful business, but I have too much debt to the banks. I owe my creditors too much money, and my cash flow is so little that I cannot buy new inventory or I cannot manufacture new products, and this is slowly killing my business. What we do then is we strip off as much debt as possible. We negotiate with his vendors so that they may take a little less than what they were owed, but they can continue doing business with a business owner that will stay in business. And the business owner is allowed to stay in business and even grow his business. When a family comes to me, they feel like they're morally bankrupt. However, a family has to be run just like a successful business. A middle-class family who comes to me and has pensions, assets, home equity, and education funds for their children, but have too much debt because of illness or divorce or loss of employment, they should understand that their family should be run as a successful business. And in order to make the right financial decisions, they also need to strip off the debt that they can and save the assets that they can. A bankruptcy for a family does that. It strips off your credit card debt, it strips off your bank overdraft, or it strips off your lines of credit. It can even strip off a second mortgage on your home, while allowing you to keep the equity in your home, keep all your pensions, keep your education funds for your children. Many times families come in and say, I feel so embarrassed that I'm filing bankruptcy. And I come back to them and tell them, this is probably the first stable financial decision you've made for your family in a number of years.